Jordan has chiseled out its own path in the global garment industry. Good international trade relations and a tradition of trustworthiness and quality are helping in making Jordan a sustainable garment manufacturing hub. The annual growth in textile exports of Jordan is around 20% for the past 5 years, and the sector contributes nearly 1/4 of all industrial exports of Jordan. Out of the total garment exports, Classic Fashion Apparel Industry Ltd company alone contributes 28% with an annual turnover of more than $500 million. Across 11 factory facilities and 7 satellite units, over 24,000 people and 12,000 machines join hands to produce 250 to 300,000 garments per day, exceeding 78 million garments in 2018. Classic Fashion is the favorite of frontline global brands and produces premium quality garments like active and sportswear, tops, bottoms and jackets, lifestyles and casual wear, tops, bottoms and jackets, outerwear, denim and woven bottoms, etc. These garments are supplied to leading multinational retailers and fashion brands like Under Armour, Walmart, Adidas, American Eagle, Hanes, Gear for Sports, One Jeanswear Group, JCPenney, Gap, Calvin Klein, Nautica, DKNY, Timberland and Tommy Hilfiger. Classic Fashion is the global company having R&D, Product Design and Development Center in USA. Employees come from Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, India, Nepal, Egypt, Turkey, USA and Jordan. Raw materials come from China, Taiwan, Hong Kong, USA, etc. Technology and machinery are from the world over, and products are exported to USA and Europe and distributed globally. The company has achieved manufacturing excellence by using cutting-edge technologies based on lean manufacturing, using minimum resources for production, making use of advances in technology and maximizing machine utilization, reducing all hard and hazardous manual labor. Jordan has all the potential to grow with a liberal economy, getting international support including from US, Canada, UK, European Union and MENA countries, together with all frontline international organizations like World Bank, IMF, etc. Jordan also has a majority of young people, most of whom are well educated. Classic Fashion has started 7 satellite units to cope with the unemployment, especially unemployment among rural women. Besides, vocational training programs are being organized for women and youth. The company has also started an initiative named Friends from Syria to give training and employment to refugees. Inclusive growth is the motto of Classic Fashion. As it grows, the community and the nation have to grow and flourish concurrently. Classic Fashion is pursuing the path of perfection for enhancing fulfillment of human desires. Classic Fashion, a trusted partner in progress.